When I am done, you will not believe how sophisticated these tools are. They're engineering and human ingenuity marvels. Definitely innovative tools for DIY enthusiasts. The Jessamine Pocket Mill Pro brings a new era of precision and efficiency to woodworking. Its unique mechanism, which automatically descends 1.2 millimeters with each pass, ensures precise slots without manual adjustment. It works with a standard drill bit, making it compatible with a wide range of projects and materials. From grooving wood planks to building custom furniture, this tool is your versatile shop ally. Its intuitive and user-friendly design makes it suitable for all skill levels, from amateur to expert. While its $250 price tag may seem steep, its ability to simplify complex tasks and improve precision makes it a valuable investment. From amateur to expert, its intuitive design adapts to all skill levels. The Jessamine Pocket Mill Pro redefines the possibilities of woodworking. It is more than just a tool. It is a revolution in working with wood. Would you like to have such a tool? The Grizzly T32 459 is a knife shop belt sander that offers power, precision, and convenience. Despite its compact size, its 3/4 horsepower motor ensures the ability to handle demanding projects, and it weighs less than 19 kilograms for easy transport. With a speed of up to 1280 meters per minute, it streamlines the manufacturing process and is useful for sharpening, profiling, and polishing. One of the most notable features of the Grizzly T32 459 is its adjustable, flexible belt position from 0 to 90 degrees. This allows you to work at a variety of angles and configurations, giving you the freedom to experiment and create unique and custom knives. Priced at $299, it offers unparalleled value in the knife belt sander market and is a valuable investment for any craftsman. It is more than just a simple tool, it's an indispensable tool in the knife shop that stands out for its versatility and power. We must talk about this next tool, which will truly mark a before and after in science. Bull Bar by Crescent is a tool that anyone would dream of for demolition. The ultimate demolition tool combines ruggedness, intelligent engineering, and unparalleled versatility. Designed by Crescent, this tool is much more than just a pry bar. It is a reliable companion on the job site. Its optimized head allows for efficient board extraction and pallet disassembly, ensuring precision and safety. Equipped with an integrated nail extractor and 180-degree swivel capability, it simplifies the toughest jobs with power and precision. Its smart design makes it ideal for a variety of applications, from construction to emergencies. At $97, investing in the Bull Bar is a smart choice for any professional or enthusiast who values quality and performance. This versatile tool will serve its users for years to come, providing the support needed for demolition jobs and beyond. Bull Bar is more than a demolition tool, it is a reliable partner in any project. Its combination of advanced technology, power, and versatility makes it the perfect choice for any challenge. And that's just the beginning, because the next tool is crazy on a whole different level. Duca is the ultimate multifunctional tool for DIY and creative projects, offering 42 functions in one unit. With functions such as sanding, engraving, cutting, and cleaning, Duca works on a wide range of materials, from glass and metal to wood and acrylic. Weighing only 260 grams, it's lightweight and easy to handle, making it ideal for long projects without fatigue. Despite its light weight, it does not compromise on power, offering an adjustable range of revolutions per minute (RPM) from 10,000 to 28,000, ensuring precision and efficiency. Its long-lasting battery provides up to 60 minutes of continuous use on a single charge, eliminating the worry of running out of power in the middle of a job. At an affordable price of $59, Duca includes a set of 40 accessories that further expand its application possibilities. And that's just the beginning, because what's coming is a real revolution, an idea that breaks all the mold. UpCart Hero is a cart designed to make moving things easier than ever. From laundry baskets to heavy furniture, and it's not a Mystery Channel presentation, we're talking about this cart designed to make moving things easier than ever. Are you ready to meet your new moving hero? With a load capacity of up to 64 kilograms, the UpCart Hero is ready to handle any load you throw at it. Whether you're hauling groceries from the supermarket or moving furniture around your home, this cart is up to the challenge. With UpCart Hero, you'll never have to worry about carrying heavy items alone again. One of the standout features of UpCart Hero is its collapsible design, which requires no assembly. The makers of UpCart Hero offer a lifetime warranty, a first in the cart industry. It's available for $70. The load capacity, ease of use, and lifetime warranty make it a worthwhile investment. Not only will it make your life easier now, but it'll also provide you with a reliable transportation solution for the future. But if that was fascinating and a marvel of technology, the next one will amaze you just as much, if not more. The Tajima Chalk-Rite Sturdy. With its sturdy aluminum case, features not only a compact design that makes it easy to store and is reminiscent of fishing tackle, but also a braided cord that offers increased durability. For those looking for an even more rugged option, there is the robust version, which replaces plastic with metal in both the tip and handle for greater durability and strength. This rugged version is available for $57, an investment justified by its superior quality and durability. An essential tool for professionals who demand precision and durability in their work, the Tajima Chalk-Rite Sturdy proves that some classics not only stand the test of time, but continue to set the standard in their field. I thought that was amazing. Wait until you see what's next. We're about to push the boundaries of what's possible. The King Combo 2.0 is the ultimate ladder for any job, offering great capacity, strength, and safety at a price of $465. With a weight of 11 kilograms and a capacity of 150 kilograms, it is sturdy and reliable in any situation. What sets the King Combo 2.0 apart is its 3 modes of operation, each designed to adapt to a variety of tasks and environments. Whether you need a stable stepladder, an extension to reach new heights, or a leaning ladder for specific jobs, King Combo 2.0 is up to the challenge. Its true flexibility lies in its ability to adapt to different heights and situations. Safety is paramount, with non-slip treads and secure locking mechanisms. This investment is more than just a ladder, it's a reliable tool for future projects. I thought that was amazing. Wait until you see what's next. We're about to challenge the limits of the imaginable. It's the perfect drill, and I'll be brief in describing it. The IML-RESI power drill is an ideal drill for arborists and powerline maintenance professionals. Capable of drilling depths between 20 and 100 centimeters, it provides precise data on the condition of the wood, which is essential for assessing the health and stability of trees and poles. In addition, it allows the integration of various modules, such as the wood inspector, which measures the curvature of poles, adding an extra layer of utility and precision. One of the outstanding features is the Bluetooth printer, which facilitates the generation of detailed reports for clients, streamlining the documentation process and presenting results. However, for professionals who demand precision and efficiency in their work, the IML-RESI power drill is an investment justified by its performance and the valuable features it offers. And that's just the beginning, because what follows? Can it be considered real? Corgi has launched Corgi Clamp-On Tire, an innovative tool that simplifies diagnostic tasks and tire inclination adjustment for automotive mechanics. One of the outstanding features of Corgi Clamp-On Tire is its synchronized locking mechanism, which ensures that the pins remain centered on the wheel throughout the process. This synchronized precision is critical to achieving consistent and accurate results with each tilt adjustment, ensuring optimal vehicle performance and safe driving. The integrated rollers facilitate smooth and damage-free wheel installation, ensuring comfort for the mechanic. Tilt adjustment is a fundamental task in vehicle maintenance, as an incorrect angle can cause uneven tire wear, unstable driving, and increased fuel consumption. Corgi Clamp-On Tire simplifies this crucial process, allowing mechanics to make precise and quick adjustments to ensure optimal vehicle performance. Wasn't that a neat tool? Well, this next tool will amaze you just as much. The Ibenstock 50P Diamond Core Drill is an indispensable tool for tackling construction challenges. With a robust 1.5 kilowatt motor, it has the power to penetrate reinforced concrete and natural stone. Its versatility shines with drill bits ranging from 6 to 68 millimeters. For precise operation, a drill stand can be used for stability. The ability to control the water supply ensures effective cooling of the drill bit. Safety is key, with built-in protection against overheating and overcurrent. At 3.6 kilograms, it's portable without compromising performance. At $936, it's an investment in quality for multiple projects. The Ibenstock 50P not only completes projects efficiently, but also promises durability. It's the ultimate choice for precision and reliability in construction, whether it's electrical, plumbing, or structural. Anyone who uses it will see how it can streamline the entire process.